Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or put easily put a text behind a person or moving object in the CapCut PC version. So all you have to do now, open and create a new project on your CapCut. So before you import your material, you can click on menu at the top of your screen, click settings and click edit, and this one you check this box, arrange layers can be reordered in every new project by default. Please check this box, save and restart the CapCut. You can close again all your project or close the applications, refresh your PC, and let's open again, reopen the CapCut and try to create new project now. So let's open, or just use stock materials for practicing this. You can search video, talking person here, for example. Here you can add text, click text at the top of your screen. Just write anything that you want. For example, just write text for practice. Bold. Here you go, and then adjust whole video. Now the next step, you have to import again the same video, place it above the text. Here there are two video and text in the middle of your layer here. Now all you have to do, just remove background, auto removal. Here let's try to play. As you can see, the text is behind the object or this person. So this is a new step, and all you have to do is follow the step I mentioned before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.